should prepare, you have to read about the other options, read about the surrounding aspects of a concept that will reinforce your knowledge with respect to the preparation for the upcoming exams. The next one, who built the Moti Masjid and Red Fort at Delhi? Again, that's a question related to Mughal architecture. The Moti Masjid is part of Red Fort. Actually, Moti Masjid is made out of white marble. Red Fort, as the name suggests, Red Fort is majorly made. We've studied in detail Red Fort and its architecture in our 51-day course already under History of Architecture lectures. So Red Fort is something which is predominantly made out of red sandstone. And I already told you the Mughal era ruler under whom it was constructed. It was constructed during the time of Shah Jahan. But the Moti Masjid part, which is a part of the Red Fort complex itself, that was constructed by Aurangzeb, not Shah Jahan itself. But Red Fort is constructed by Shah Jahan. But Moti Masjid, that is a part of the Red Fort, was constructed by Aurangzeb. And with respect to Moti Masjid, why is it called as Moti Masjid? It is basically a pearl mosque. If you translate it into English, that's mainly because it is made out of white marble. This is the only major structure which is completely made out of white marble within the Red Fort complex. All the other structures predominantly are made out of red sandstone. Even Diwane has some parts of Red Fort you might have marble, but Moti Masjid is a white mosque referred to as pearl mosque, completely made of white marble, constructed during the reign of Aurangzeb. Other rulers, like I said, Akbar, important structures during his reign include Fatehpur Sikri, Agra Fort, Humayun's tomb. These are the buildings you have to remember under Mughal architecture associated with Akbar. Qutbuddin Aibak was not a Mughal ruler at all. Qutbuddin Aibak was the slave dynasty ruler. He was the one who established the first Delhi Sultanate, and he was associated with the construction of Qutub Minar, which is within Delhi but not a Mughal structure. It is much before the Mughal era. Anyways, so the answer for this question would be Aurangzeb.